Hi guys, in today's video I share with you how I prepare my Tippi Tambo or Pitti Tambo or Sutani as it's known as. All I do is put it in a pot with tap water and add enough salt to boil it. You just boil it for 15 to 20 minutes, after which it will be ready. When it's finished boiling, this is what it would look like. And to eat it, all you have to do is peel that skin off of it, discard the stem, and you eat the inside. It's really delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!